Okay, so in continuing our discussion, let's look at other determinants also. So now, in addition to the four principal behavioral risk factors identified in the earlier section, there are a wide range of determinants of those behaviors that in other ways impact on the development and progression of NC. And these determinants include a variety of socioeconomic, cultural, and environmental conditions. All right. Now, there's a figure upcoming which is illustrated in figure 3.6. And this illustrates wide array of determinants according to a model developed by Green and Whitehead in 1991. Now, the 2008 Commission on the Social Determinants of Health made the case for tackling the causes of disease. In other words, the fundamental global and nutritional structures of social hierarchy and the socially determined conditions these create in environments which people grow, live, work, and age. Now, a conceptual framework for the Commission's work is what is demonstrated in figure 3.7, and it suggests that interventions can aim to change both the circumstances of daily life and life structural drivers. Okay, so let's look at this. This is the model, okay, of broad range of determinants. Remember, they said the ecological approach model. The ecological approach model. All right. So based on this, you can see that when you look at the middle, the central issue, you have age, sex, and constitutional factors. Now that is being influenced by individual lifestyle factors. That is influenced by social and community network. Then when you come to the next one, you have agriculture and food production, education, work environment, living and working condition, unemployment, water and sanitation, healthcare services, and housing. And all that are being influenced by the general socioeconomic, cultural, and environmental conditions. So what you need to discuss among yourself is that, let's say you are taking cancer as an NCD, okay? And we're able to use this model to explain the control of cancer from individual level to the community level, so far as using this model is concerned. How is that cancer being influenced by agriculture and food production, education, work environment, living and working condition, unemployment, water sanitation, healthcare services, housing? How are they all influencing the development of that disease? And how can they help in its control? How is the social and community network influencing that disease and how can it help in its control? How is individual lifestyle factors influencing the development of cancer and how would that also lifestyle modification help in its control? So that is how we use the ecological approach model in dealing with them. Now, when it comes to this issue that we have in here, very simple.